Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to add clickable social media link to your Facebook page. So let's begin. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook page. Then after you open up your Facebook page, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the edit button right here. So this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to edit your info right here. So click on edit your info, and then it's open up a new page like this. What you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to where you have social media link. Click on that. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on add a social media link, add a social link, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to enter the username or URL link of the particular social media link that you want to add, and then make sure you choose the platform. It can be Trend, it can be Twitter, it can be Snapchat, it can be YouTube, it can be TikTok, WhatsApp, or what have you. So there are much right here that you can link. You can link your QQ account, LinkedIn account, and VK, etc. So for the example right here, I'm going to simply link an Instagram account. So I'm going to simply enter my Instagram URL right here, just like so. Then what I'm going to do is to simply make sure I leave it on Instagram. Then I'll simply come here and click on save. So in a few seconds, you can see Instagram link has been successfully added. So if I click on this link right here, it automatically redirects me to the Instagram page. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add social media link to your Facebook page without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.